Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change USB wired polling rate on your Corsair M75. So first open the Corsair app and now find your mouse. In here click the gear icon which will take you to device settings, and here we have USB wired polling rate, and we can change it to 125 Hz or 8000, and it all depends on your preference. As you guys can see, now it's changed and it will say that no supported Corsair device is found, but right after 5 seconds we have our mouse back here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.